Hi, Britt Davenport from hacklesandhurl.com coming to you today with another Tuesday tips and tricks. Today we're going to be going over a way to keep your various fly tying liquid solutions easily accessible so that the lids don't glue themselves shut. Oftentimes when you're putting the brush back in, some of it may get gummed up around this top edge, which makes it difficult to open and close. Some are definitely worse than others, but they can all get kind of gummy after a while. So an easy way to avoid that, and I'm using just a brand new empty one to demonstrate this so I don't get lacquer all over the place. So take the lid off, and then we're going to use just straight up regular petroleum jelly. So go ahead and open that. I've got just a bit of paper towel here, and I'm just going to dab that paper towel in the petroleum jelly a little bit. Try to just get just a little bit there, and then I'm just going to take that and run that petroleum jelly around the lip of that jar. And by doing that, it'll keep the jar from, in a sense, gluing itself shut or getting very difficult to open. So easy, simple hack. Most everybody has some petroleum jelly sitting around. Easy trick to just keep your tying bench a little bit easier to manage. So again, thank you for joining us for our Tuesday tips and tricks. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and go ahead and click that bell notification so that you get future content updates. Thank you.